But what I see in the future, like my vision for AI-driven UXs, is that we move away from having all these standalone apps all over the web, and we centralize everything within an AI assistant. If you're using ChatGPT, then let that be the center of your world. If you're using Gemini, let that be the center of your world. And then all of the rest of the players that used to be a standalone app could potentially develop their plugin or their mini GPT to plug into that Uber UI. And then from that Uber UI, you start managing all of your secondary apps. But if they play their cards right, I think people will want to integrate into them, and it will be a very transparent way of interacting with the rest of your world through just one interface, which is what the interface that they've introduced, which is a chat-based interface, because it's language-based, because it's really powerful when it comes to language. But you can imagine that following their design system, we just feed them our data, and then they take care of displaying their UIs on the fly, which are going to be ephemeral, and they're going to be hyper-personalized depending on the ask on the prompt. And then they're just going to show up in ChatGPT or in Gemini, and you're going to be able to execute tasks that, originally you would execute on separate standalone apps, but you're just going to be executing them from one centralized place.